everyone. Today we're doing an open house at 10603 Old Grove Circle in Bradenton, Florida. Come on in. You're going to love this place. As you can see, it has an open floor plan. This is 2275 square feet. So this is a large home with 10-foot ceilings, and it feels very spacious. Now our seller is from Arizona, so she has some really large pieces of heavy furniture which are from there in her style. But this house, and you can see how beautifully all of this fits. Those are really large pieces of furniture, and it's still very, very spacious. The walls, however, are freshly painted in coastal colors, so this is perfect for the coastal lifestyle. Come with me. Now this is the living room, and one of the things I love about this home is the complete open concept living dining room, kitchen, and eat-in kitchen area. And the other thing I really love about it, I love when I walk into a home and I can see straight through to the outdoors. The first time I came to this home to meet with the seller, I was just so drawn by the view, and we both just walked over and stood in front of the doors and just were mesmerized and was just standing there talking for about 10 minutes because we didn't want to leave. So I love that when the view just pulls you right through to the other side of the house. It's a view of the 17th hole of the golf course. The golf course, you do not have to join the golf course. You can just simply enjoy it if you're not a golfer. This view is beautiful and it's yours to enjoy. Let's go outside.
Okay.
So you have two outdoor areas here. This one is completely screened in and very large and under cover, so you can sit out here in the rain in the summer, which is a lovely thing to do. All Floridians love to do that. And then, but you have this outdoor area as well. And this would be absolutely great to have a fire pit. That's what I would do if I had this house. Because you have all of this to look at. You have the 17th hole of the golf course. You have a pond over here, a pond over there. In Florida, that attracts one of the most beautiful birds you've ever seen. It's really fun to sit out and just watch what goes on during the day. There'll be deer, all of that. It just attracts the very nicest kind of wildlife. It's really something to enjoy. Now, this seller is meticulous about the way she maintains her property. She's immaculate. And her gardens, everything is just perfect. So she has a beautiful garden over here as well. Easy to maintain though. So this is your outdoor area, and you've got lovely shade due to this oak tree here. So beautiful outdoor space. Let's go in. Let's go to the kitchen next. You can see how large this kitchen is. Beautiful tile on the floor. You've got real wood cabinets here. And you also have high-level stainless steel appliances, a gas stove. Not easy to come by in this area. But this one has a beautiful gas stove and all high-end stainless steel appliances. Plenty of storage, as you can see. There's an island here that rolls on wheels if you want to use it. Sometimes she uses that, and when she's not, she puts it over here out of walk-in pantry in the kitchen. It's one of the largest ones I've ever seen in a home here. As you can see, there's plenty of room. There's storage behind doors, and then open storage for all of the big items. There's really a nice walk-in storage in the kitchen. Then we have the laundry room is over here. Really nice, newer washer dryer, high end, and a laundry sink. And a linen closet, plenty of storage there. And then as you can see, here's your sink and dishwasher. And you've got a view of everything going on in the main living area. Great for entertaining. And a really cute eat-in kitchen. Let's go to the guest suite next. There's 2 bedrooms over here. They're about the same size. And their bathroom that they share. Now this is completely separate from the homeowner's living area and the master suite, and we'll show you that in a minute. But you have these 2 lovely bedrooms. This is actually a king-size bed, so that's quite large for a guest room. All the comforts of home. And then this one, she has it set up for kids. Twin beds. Again, coastal theme, lovely colors, all set. Here's the bathroom. Nice walk-in shower, sink, toilet, everything you need. Guest suite. So now follow me into the master suite. As you can see, it's on the opposite side of the house, so you have complete privacy when you have guests. Now off to the left you have a very large master suite with a very large king-size bed and all of the furniture that goes with it. There's 10-foot ceilings in this house, so it really is quite spacious and feels quite open and airy. You have an entrance here to the lanai, should you choose to exit that way and go out and enjoy your coffee before you see any guests that are staying with you. Now follow me. Down this hall are 2 closets. You have a wonderful walk-in closet, all kinds of room for all kinds of clothes and storage. And then you have a regular closet on this side as well. Now this is the master bath. What I really like about this is that it has a walk-in shower, which I much prefer to glass doors, because the glass doors are just so much trouble to clean, and this is so easy. You have all of the lightness and airiness of the glass doors without the headache of the cleaning. And then we have separate sinks, and they're high. So, but one on each side. One has a vanity where you can sit down and put on makeup. The other is right next to a wonderful soaking tub without jets, which I prefer because you can never clean those. So this is great. I call them indoor swimming pools. I really enjoy them. This bathroom has everything you'll ever need. And of course, the water closet. And then through here is your home office, which is completely separate. You can close the whole master suite off from the rest of the house, so you have complete privacy if you have guests to run your business from home, and everything will just go as normal, complete privacy. So now we go back into the main area. And that's the tour. Isn't it wonderful?